Communication Kit by AbleNet.
We are augmentative and alternative communication devices that help people communicate who do not use their voice.
The two switches to my left can record one message only.
But I can record 3 messages.
If you think the Quick Start Communication Kit would help you or a loved one, consider borrowing it from our Assistive Technology Lending Library.
To learn more about the technology we have in our lending library, check out our website at techowlpa.org. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media. Links in the description below.